All right. Today I am doing a review of this new product I just bought. It's a 1/2 inch drive metric deep impact socket set. 11 sockets. So I bought this to go with my new RV. And I'll be doing a review on it also, but an impact, a battery powered impact wrench set. Just to have an impact set and an impact wrench to take the lug nuts off. We are going full-time RV, so I wanted an impact wrench in my toolkit with impact sockets, and so I bought this EPAuto 1/2 inch drive metric deep impact socket set, 11 sockets. It's chrome vanadium, so high torque. This is the metric side, and it's 1/2 inch drive, and it's made from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy, corrosion resistant. Let's open it up and see what we got. First off, I notice it comes in a nice plastic hard case, and I will tell you, I am not one that is very good at keeping track of tools. So anything that can help keep me organized is great for me. So let's open it up. Ooh, look at those. Doesn't make you just want to get your impact wrench out and torque some things down. It does me. So we got all the way from 10 millimeter all the way up to 24 millimeter there. Let's just turn all of these right side up. 22 millimeter, 21 millimeter, 19, 17, 16, 14. This is upside down. How dare they? Oh, no, it's not. 13 millimeter, 12, 11, and 10. This looks like a great set. Thumbs up, and it keeps me organized. Love it. Love, love, love.